Baba yini sizathu sokuthi ke ungazange ubizwe?
As a court, please, my lord, we don't want to interfere with my learned friend's re-examination, but calling witnesses is based on questions of law, and I don't think that this witness will be able to give an opinion on this, to second guess the state as to why they didn't call him.
Thank you, my lord. For starters, this is not a question of law, it's a question of fact. Secondly, that passage that was read into record as to why the state decided not to call Baba Zungu, that is a perspective from the state's side. I am asking Baba Zungu now from the defense side. That is
He was at the peak of his career. Who did not like that?
Is this just...
I'll say it was a hit.
Where is the mastermind?
Thank you, Brigadier. The fact that the court was told that the arrest of accused number 1 and number 2 was premised on the statement that you made, how did that make you feel?
Manje kukwenze ukuthi wena uzizwe kanjani ke njengoba inkosi enkantolo seyitsheliwe ukuthi isizathu senzeke ukuthi kuboshwe noma ke kholelwe kuboshweni kwamangalelo oqala nomangalelo wesibili kwakuyingenxa yalesi statement ekuthiwa wena usibhalisile. Uzizwe kanjani ngaleyo nkulumo wena?
Kwangiphatha kaphela lokho masengizu nokindindesho la enkantolo ukuthi izinto azizwa kwakuzwa ngami kwangiphatha kabi.
That hurt me when I heard Gininda testifying here in court that he got that information from me. It did not sit well with me.
Ngase ngibuza ke manje ukuthi uma ngabe khulunywa ngami enkantolo ukuze lento ibonakala ukuthi yaba right ngempela kwaba khona isivumelwana nami sengeqhwa kanjani sokufakaziswa amonye umuntu kanti kubhalwe mina.
I then asked myself as to if this was a thing that was done correctly. How is it that then that they're saying that I made a statement and therefore I'm not called, and instead another person is called?
Ngathula ke ngathi mangenzi konye okunye ngayina kwezinyina ngithule ngilalela ukuthi kwenzekani.
I then said to myself, let me just keep calm and keep quiet and listen as to what is happening.
Kuze kwafika ke lapha emaphethelweni ecala.
Up until the last part of this matter.
Ekungixakayo ke lapho anti uGininda ngoba esho kanjalo nje sokuze kufike endaweni kanti mina wayethi ngoba ukhulu ufake udaba ngegama lami wavula icala ngegama lami manje kanti mina uzongifaka kuphi kunini lapho ngizofakaza khona.
We are now at the finality stage of this matter, and Gininda has made mention of my name in this matter. So I was wondering as to when is it that I'm going to be called, because my name has been made mention here in court.
Ngafikelwa ke kwazi verse ukuthi ngoba bengangibizi nje bayazi abangibizi ngani.
And then it was then clear to me as to the reason why they're not calling me. They know why they're not calling me.
Now, just there. What would you think, or what do you think would be the reason why you were not called?
Manje ke wena ucabanga ukuthi baba yini sizathu sokuthi ke ungazange ubizwe?
As a court, please, my lord, we don't want to interfere with my learned friend's re-examination, but calling witnesses is based on questions of law, and I don't think that this witness will be able to give an opinion on this, to second guess the state as to why they didn't call him. In any case, we quoted a passage in the proceedings as to why we did not call the witness. We submit, my lord, that would be opinion evidence that will be irrelevant, my lord. We have referred to the relevant portions of the report as to why we did not call Ubaba Zungu, my lord. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. For starters, this is not a question of law, it's a question of fact. Secondly, that passage that was read into record as to why the state decided not to call Baba Zungu, that is a perspective from the state's side. I am asking Baba Zungu now from the defense side. That is their perspective. They've got all the right to argue this point from their perspective. The defense will also have all the right to argue this point from its perspective, which is the reason why I am asking Mr. Zungu that according to him, why was he not called? As an expectation that he had a legitimate expectation that because this case, the arrest of accused number 1 and 2 was premised on the alleged statement that he allegedly made, he would then have been called. But the state decided not to call him. Now, I am asking him that according to his opinion, and if his opinion matters, and if his opinion is wrong or right, that will be what the court will call upon to determine at the end of this case. But we cannot be detracted from receiving his opinion at the end of the day simply because the state says they put on record the reason why they decided not to call him. That is their own perspective. I am approaching this case now from the defense perspective, my lord. I would therefore submit that this question is pretty relevant, my lord. Thank you.
Umbono ngokombono wakho ke wena Baba Zungu ukuthi ke njengoba ke uBrigadier Gininda wathula ubufakazi lapha kwenkundla ukuthi okwamholela ekuboshweni kwakhe umangalelo oqala nowesibili ngokungenxa le statement kuthiwa wena usenzile. Manje ke wena ngokombono wakho ucabanga ukuthi isizathu sokuthi ungasabizwa ke lapha kwenkantolo isiphi? Kwenziwe yini?
Mabe ngasangibiza enkantolo. Usho ukuthi phela into engazange yenzeke ngendlela leyo ukungiqambela amanga.
It means that that was not done correctly and they now lying.
Nalabo bantu ababe ingane zabantu lezi ebiziwe ilandwe uGininda. Kuphe esingayitshena khona mina ngafika ngofikisana ngathi uGininda right inkantolo abaphela bange ngisafika mina enkantolo.
And these kids that Gininda said, or Gininda had brought here, what would we say to them? What evidence would we show them as to whether Gininda was correct to do that or what?
Nabanikazi beingane lapho. Oba phela bayabuza ukuthi kungani ngingabizwa. Namanje nawe uyabona ukuthi kungani nobani uyabona. Shuthi kwakungekho kwakukhona ubugebengu.
And there's people around these kids that are asking also that as to why was I not called to this matter. So I'm also wondering why was I not called. So there are also people asking around as to why was I not called.
Serious kanje.
This is such a serious matter.
Lisakazwa ngisholela lisakazwa khona lizeleyo shoni langa lisakazwa.
This matter is broadcast all everywhere and every day, all day.
Kodwa mawusuyibuza wena uthi uphi kanti lo okuthiwa icala lavulwa ngaye la enkantolo.
One would ask themselves as to where is this person that they referred to, that they made this arrest because of him? Where is this person?
Phela nalaba abasolo bebezokweneliseka enhlizweni. Uma mina bengifikile ngangena la ebhokisini oba uGininda balami.
Also the suspect would have been fully satisfied if I was called, brought to the witness box and I explained my story.
Thank you. Another question, a supposition that was put to you by the state was to the following effect: that the reason why Brigadier Gininda wanted to take you out of the country was because you had made a statement and he was discussing various safety options with you.
Kuye kwavela-ke inkulumo la ivela kumushushisi ukuthi-ke isizathu esenza ukuthi uBrigadier Gininda abe nenkulumo yokuthi-ke kumele ukuthi mhlampe noma-ke ekhulume nawe mayelana nendaba yamazwe angaphandle kwakuwukuthi-ke ekubonisa ukuthi-ke umuntu ozoba ufakazi mhlampe makangaphansi kohlelo lokuvikeleka zihamba kanjani izinto zakhona. Uyayikhumbula leyo nkulumo?
ngikhumbula.
I remember that.
Thank you. Now, and your answer was, even if Brigadier Gininda, the minute Brigadier Gininda started talking about you being taken from your place, you then decided to disagree with him that you would not leave your place.
Make eqala ke uBrigadier Gininda ekhulumisa lenkulumo yokuthi ke kufanele ukuthi ususwe lapho nohlala khona. Wena wanqaba ke wathi ke cha angeke ngize ngisuswe mina la ngihlala khona. Kunjalo?
Ngenqaba bafese ngakhuluma nje yonke lento cha ngaze ngithathe manje ukukhulumise ngaleso statement kude ufuna kwenye ukungifihla.
No. Yes, I refused that I would not be taken away from my place. And you are saying to me that you want a statement and therefore you want to take me away. I then refused.
Thank you.
Ngakhuluma nje ngathi shutho bangenganje funeke ngihambe milungise emazweni engawazi.
I said to him, as old as I am now, you want to take me from where I'm staying, take me to other countries that I do not even know.
Ngabuza lokho yangicabangela.
I think I asked him if he was being considerate or not.
Thank you. And this meeting, wherein this discussion happened, took place after your son and Brigadier Gininda have already testified here at court as to how they received this information, which culminated in the arrest of accused number 1, number 2. Not so.
Kwenzeka konke kule nkulumo yokuthi yena ufuna ukukuthatha akusemazweni angaphandle. Kwenzeka emveni kokuthi yena uBrigadier Gininda nayo Constable Zungu sebezile lapha ngwenkundla bazonikezela ngobufakazi ukuthi ke isizathu esenze noma ke into aholele ekutheni babophe umangalelo oqala nomangalelo wesibili okuyilesa statement ebathi wena usenzile.
Kwaqhubeka la sokwenzeka la sekukhulunywa la enkantolo konke lokho.
This matter was ongoing here in court.
Thank you.
So the state wanted us to believe Constable Zungu was the light. Instead, his testimony became a magnifying glass over a compromised investigation. When you strip away the courtroom theater, you are left with a witness discredited by his commander and completely disowned by his father. But what do you think? Did the state honestly believe this narrative would hold up under rigorous defense scrutiny? Let me know your thought in the comment section below. Let's get discussion going. If you value this kind of deep, unfiltered and sophisticated legal analysis, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a like and share it.